Magkano nga ba ang kailangang capital para sa business na ito? That's a good and valid question, lalo na para sa ating working moms. The truth is, this isn't kind of online business where you need millions right away. There is an entry level, there are options depending on your budget, and you can start small while you're learning and building. Hindi ito tulad ng traditional business na may rental, inventory, and employees right away. Here, your real capital is your willingness to learn, your consistency, and the budget that's aligned with your current situation. We don't push an all-in mindset. Our goal is sustainability, not stress. But I will give you a number just for the sake of. You need $149 to start. This is like a registration fee, but I assure you, sulit ito para sa makukuha mo sa $149. Magkakaroon ka ng access sa aming private Facebook group at pre-coaching call video about our products at marami pang iba. If you want, I can walk you through a realistic breakdown of what you actually pay for, what's optional, and how other working moms start even with limited budget. So if you want to know more, message me or visit my website www.eugeniamagrara.com. Thank you and have a great day.